In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache files in EA application. Clearing the cache in the EA app is a quick and useful way to refresh the application if it's not working as expected, or if you simply want to remove temporary files that may be affecting its performance. The entire process only takes a few moments, and you can complete it directly from the app without changing any of your games or account information. To get started, open the EA app on your computer. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account first. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main home screen of the application. Make sure you're looking at the main interface before moving on to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the EA app window. You'll find the main menu there on a dark background. Click on that menu to reveal the available options. From the menu, select Help to open the support-related settings and tools available within the application. After opening the Help menu, choose App Recovery. This section is designed to help resolve common issues with the EA app by refreshing certain temporary data. When you select App Recovery, you'll see an option that allows you to clear the application's cache files. Click the Clear Cache button to begin the process. Once you do that, the EA app will automatically restart. This restart is completely normal and is part of the cache clearing process. Allow the application a few moments to close and reopen on its own without interrupting it. After the app launches again, the cache files will have been cleared successfully. Since cache files are temporary files used to speed up certain tasks, removing them won't delete your games, your saved progress stored through supported cloud services, or your account. Instead, the app simply creates fresh cache files as you continue using it, which can often help improve performance and resolve minor issues. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, clearing the cache in the EA app is a simple process that only takes a few seconds and can be a helpful troubleshooting step whenever you experience unexpected problems with the application. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,